This is another day to remind you that your investment is safe with us, and also not just safe with us, we guarantee the return of your investment. You can take a look at this place and see it's already, people already living here. It's already developing and you wouldn't want to miss out. So we are doing the drainage, and after the drainage you start the road construction. This is actually a 3-bedroom bungalow we have here for sale that we are selling for 50 million naira only, and you can spread the balance within the next 6 months. So this property has a C of O. We have land here as well for sale. You can check around here.